How to check someone's location on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Vasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can check someone's location on iPhone. Now there are a few steps on how you can check someone else's location. The first is, if you open up Find My Device app, the Find My app, which is default on iPhone, there at the bottom you'll get list of options, right? If you head over to the people options here, you'll be able to see the people who have turned on or enabled or shared their location with you. So if you tap on it, you'll be able to see their location or their last location as well. Now the other is, if someone shared their location with you and if they have still turned it on or they haven't stopped sharing, then you'll be able to see there. Now if you head over to the profile in iMessages there, and if they shared their location with you in the past and it's still enabled, it isn't turned off, then you'll be able to find it here. Now the same exact thing it is with the maps as well. If you head over to maps here, if someone has shared their location, also up here. So these are the only ways that you can check someone's location on iPhone. Hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.